measured by the kind of family he brings up, apart from all the other things that we do. So today we are sending off Wafula Chebukati, a hero, a leader, a man who stood out. This Wafula Chebukati, if he was another person, we wouldn't be having the Kenya as we know it today. He went through great intimidation. He announced the elections under great difficulty, but he chose to do the right thing rather than be intimidated or rather than be compromised. I can say here, because this is his last post, that powerful people from the security sector, from the administration, went to Bomas to try and change the elections of 2022 with might and money and power. But Chebukati said he would rather do the right thing because he was intelligent, he was courageous, and he was a man of great integrity. Chebukati has set the bar for the leadership of our electoral commission very high. Many people today have to think before they apply, because Chebukati has set the standard of knowing what it is that you need to do, the standard of being courageous and bold to do the right thing, and the standard on integrity. Refusing to be blackmailed, intimidated, or threatened. Na ndio sababu hiyo